What do your results of your business, and you posted, I guess, an EPS loss accounting from some write-downs of stock in Albertsons that you own. But what do your results and higher revenues tell you about, A, the state of the economy, and most especially the state of the consumer?
Yeah, it's really interesting, Tyler. When you look at the portfolio and the results that the team produced this quarter, we're very proud. Up and down the portfolio and the metrics, occupancy gains, pricing power on our leasing spreads are up over 16%. And you look at our earnings growth of significant growth there. It's really a telling story that retailers are opening stores and there's a lot of demand being driven by the customer today. Our traffic is up year over year as well. And one of the more interesting tidbits, I think, from our report today is that the small businesses are actually growing dramatically throughout our portfolio. And that, I think, is an indicator of some of the strength in the economy, is those smaller businesses really are at record demand highs for our spaces in our grocery-anchored shopping centers.
Occupancy stands where compared with where, let's say, a year ago?
We're up to 95.1% occupied today. We still think there's more room to run there. And there's a lot more demand we see from, again, some of the larger players, the anchors that we have, as well as the smaller businesses that are expanding. So it's a nice spot to be because there's really a convergence of value and convenience that the shoppers are looking for today. And that's what our local grocery anchored shopping centers provide, is that combination. And we see three major trends that we're still benefiting from through this pandemic. First, the suburbanization effect. A lot of people move to that first ring suburb, and that's the Kimco consumer. We're really concentrated in the first ring suburb of the major metro markets. Second, the work from home dynamic, a hybrid model that most are working from, obviously benefits the local shopping center and those trips that you take to grab a bite to eat in the morning or afternoon. And then third, probably the most important, is the last mile distribution fulfillment point. That's what's really changed through the pandemic. And Target came out recently and said that when they utilize their stores for last mile distribution and fulfillment, it's 40% cheaper than using a large distribution center. And that's why we feel like the future of retail is really focused on that last mile.
Connor, it's Kelly here. Are we in a recession based on how your business is doing? And can you compare and contrast today's environment with past recessions that you have experienced?
We don't see the recessionary warning signs yet. We're cautiously optimistic as we have to continue the momentum that we're seeing. We're also experiencing a reopening trade. So again, there's a lot of cross currents that are going on today. Typically what happens when we see a recession or recessionary warning signs, there's a pullback in retailer demand. And we have not seen that. We're still in record demand levels. We also are not seeing any pullback in traffic. The consumer is above last year's traffic patterns. And again, that would be a retraction if it were a recessionary warning sign. And we still have pricing power. Our new leasing spreads are up over 16%, which means that, again, we're able to push rents as the demand outpaces supply. So we're looking for cracks. We're cautiously optimistic about the business and the visibility of our growth and our earnings. But we continue to watch. The consumer really resonates today with the omni-channel approach. They want to shop how they want to shop, when they want to shop. And it's that omni-channel approach where, again, if you want to shop online, pick it up in store, or at the curbside pickup program that we've coined and launched nationwide, or deliver from the home to the home from the local store. That's what's really working today, and Kimco really provides that.